Take command of the road in the 2009 Hyundai Tucson. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.